The pain you didn't see coming. Reclaiming your life after narcissistic abuse. Have you ever felt like you were disappearing inside a relationship? Like the very essence of who you are, your beliefs about love, trust, and self-worth, was being twisted into something unrecognizable? What if the person making you feel this way wasn't looking for love at all, but rather control? What if their goal was to tear you down, to break you? This is the insidious reality of narcissistic abuse, a form of manipulation that leaves deep scars and often goes unseen until the damage is done. Recognizing the manipulation, it was never about you. The truth is, if you've experienced this kind of pain, it wasn't a reflection of your weakness. Quite the opposite. Your abuser was threatened by your strength, by the qualities they lacked, the ability to love deeply, to trust, to endure. They saw something in you they could never possess, and that fear drove them to try and diminish your light. They attempted to erase your boundaries, silence your voice, and devalue your worth. They tried to confuse you, make you doubt yourself, and force you to constantly walk on eggshells. But despite their efforts, you're still here. You're still questioning, reflecting, and most importantly, growing. You're still holding on to that core of yourself they desperately tried to shatter. The suffering you endured wasn't a failure on your part. It was a painful, necessary lesson that has equipped you with a new perspective. You now recognize the subtle signs of manipulation and understand what healthy love should feel like. You're less likely to fall prey to these tactics again. Breaking the cycle, you were never the problem. The feeling of being broken down, of constantly second-guessing yourself and questioning your sanity, is a common experience for survivors of narcissistic abuse. But remember this, you were never the problem. Narcissists don't love, they manipulate. They crave control and feed off the light of others because they lack it themselves. They resented your authenticity, your capacity for love, and your inner strength, even as they tried to suppress them. You are not the person they tried to break. You are a survivor, now learning to rebuild and reclaim your power. Healing. Reclaiming what was stolen. Take a moment to reflect. How many times did you doubt yourself because of them? How often did you question whether you were too sensitive, too emotional, or simply too much? Reclaiming yourself after narcissistic abuse is a journey, not a destination. It requires acknowledging the pain, processing the trauma, and actively rebuilding your self-esteem. It involves setting healthy boundaries, prioritizing your own needs, and surrounding yourself with supportive individuals who value and appreciate you for who you are. The road to empowerment. If you are currently navigating a relationship with a narcissist, whether it be romantic or familial, know that you are not alone. It's crucial to learn how to identify these toxic patterns and protect yourself from further harm. Understanding the dynamics of narcissistic abuse is the first step towards breaking free and reclaiming your life. Don't let the pain of the past define your future. You have the strength to heal, to rebuild, and to create a life filled with genuine connection, self-love, and empowerment. If you're dating a narcissist right now, or if you have a narcissistic mother, I want to help you find your way out. I've created a video specifically for you, where I break down how to spot a narcissist and how to protect yourself from their toxic patterns. Click on the video that's about to pop up on the screen. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. It's time to take back your power, once and for all. And if this resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe for more videos on how to reclaim your life, and make sure to share this with anyone you think needs to hear this. Together, we can break the cycle of narcissistic abuse.